Today, how to build a snake game with AI, using nothing but your browser. We start at the SoxAI welcome page. SoxAI is an AI gateway. One API gives you GPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Kimi, Minimax, and 40 more models behind a single OpenAI compatible endpoint. New accounts get $5 of free credit, no card required. From the welcome page, we click into the AI Sandbox. This is a hosted dev environment. Vite, React, Claude Code, and Codex are all pre-installed. Nothing to set up. We're going to write our own brief, so we click Custom Prompt. Paste the prompt for an AI snake game into the text area. The sandbox automatically prep and safety rules, no npm install, do not modify the Vite config, edit only app.jsx. Then we click Start Building. The sandbox spins up a Docker container. Claude Code launches with bypass permissions mode, so it can read and write files freely inside this isolated workspace. First, Claude reads the project's claude.md guardrails. Then it plans the implementation, listing each requirement, grid size, tick rate, controls, collision detection, the React state shape. Now Claude writes the game. You're watching it generate state hooks, the canvas render loop, the game over overlay, and event listeners for keyboard input. The whole file is about 200 lines, written in roughly 90 seconds. Vite hot reloads the new code, the preview pane refreshes, and the game appears. Snake on the right, food in the middle, score in the top left. Arrow keys to move. Eat the red food to grow and score. The snake grows by one each meal. The food respawns at a random empty cell. Hit a wall or yourself and it's game over. And that's it. From an empty editor to a playable browser game in about 90 seconds, with no install, no toolchain, and no API key in your code. Get started with $5 of free credit at SoxAI.io.